In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to indent the text on your WordPress website. Indenting text can help create a neat and organized layout, allowing your content to stand out and making it easier for your readers to engage with it. Whether you're aiming for a more artistic look or simply want your text to align better, following these straightforward steps will guide you through the process. First, let's navigate to WordPress.com. This is your gateway to everything you need for building and editing your website. Make sure you have access to your account details, as we're going to be logging in next. Once you've reached the site, click on the Login button. Enter your credentials and be sure to check that your information is correct to avoid any login issues. Once you're logged in, you'll need to proceed to the WordPress dashboard. The dashboard is essentially your control room, where you'll access all the functionalities needed for managing your website. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to WordPress, as this will help you feel more comfortable navigating through the different features. Next, you'll want to focus on the content you wish to modify. Click on either the Posts or Pages section from the dashboard. These are the areas where you will find and manage the text that you're planning to indent. If you don't recall whether your content is a post or a page, take a moment to check where it was originally published. Once you have located your text, select it to begin making changes. Now, let's get into the actual indentation process. Look for the option titled Paragraph. This option usually provides you with various formatting tools to adjust the text. Selecting this will display a range of styles you can apply, so be sure to explore these if you're considering other formatting changes. For adding an indent, click on the quote option. When you do this, the text you've selected will automatically get indented, aligning it differently from the surrounding text. This not only highlights the text, but sometimes can help emphasize important quotes or sections within your content. Before you finish, preview the changes to ensure that everything looks just right. This will help you see how the indents affect your overall layout. Making sure everything is visually appealing is key to maintaining a professional online presence. And there you have it. By following these steps, your text will be perfectly indented on your WordPress website, enhancing its readability and style. Feel free to experiment with different sections and styles to achieve the exact look you're aiming for. Thank you for watching, and happy editing on your website.